Do you like to watch clouds? Me too. These clouds are moving really fast. Look like big, puffy cotton balls. What do you see when you look at the clouds? We all see different things. What do you see? Sometimes you just need to get away from houses. Maybe go down to the river. Maybe go to a big park. Or out on a country road like where I'm at. You can see big sky. Or maybe if you go to the beach, then you can really see a big sky. Aren't clouds pretty? Hey kids, glad you could join me outside today. I think clouds are so cool. I learned about a new cloud I want to tell you about. It's called cirrocumulus. Cirro means curly, like ripples, like waves. And cumulus, you know those clouds, they're the puffy clouds, white puffy ones. So it's kind of a combination of the two, cirrocumulus. Well, it's kind of hard to describe, but if you look up, I'll show you one. How about these clouds? Same day. I just looked to the west. See the cumulus clouds go off to the right behind the house? And we have these very high, sort of ripply looking clouds above. They're at all different levels. Some clouds are really low. Some clouds are much higher on top of those. The sky is so big, so pretty. Every one of those clouds is full of water droplets, water vapor. You know, sometimes you can spend so much time looking up at the sky that you forget to look down. You could step on something if you're not careful. Like this little guy. I see something you don't see. It begins with a T. He's hiding in the straw. Just be quiet. I'm going to see if I can catch him. Here we go. You see my little friend? As soon as I let go, he's going to take off. Go back and turn around so you can see his face. Can you see his face now? There he is. See him breathing? I think he's afraid a little bit. Yeah. I think he might be a little bit afraid. I'm going to put him back down. We'll let him go back to the strawberry patch. Okay? There you go. A little toad likes to hang out in my garden. He eats worms and bugs. He's a good garden buddy. Well, kids, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you had a good time. And I hope you'll join us next Saturday at 10 o'clock. Remember, get outside. There's so much to see. Later, kids.